this video, we will cover how to send out a blast to members in your Meetup group. This requires being in the group setting, not in an event setting. So let's go to this group, Leadership 101. Now I'm going to click Manage Group, Contact Members. And I'm going to send it to all members who have subscribed. There are many options here, as you can see, but I'm just going to send it to everybody. So the subject will be Reminder, Leadership 101 meeting, November 2nd at 6:30 p.m. And I use this copy that I used to create the original post, and I just cut and paste, and then I'll modify it. Okay, I'll remove all of this because this is simply a reminder and I don't want to make it too long for people to read. I just want them to have the basic info. All right, and then we can also put it on the group's message board and then click Submit. Your message has been sent. There you go. It's that easy. Okay, and to look for that, I would go to More and then Message Boards. And here is our reminder that we just sent. All right. And that is how you send a blast to all of the members in your group in Meetup. Thank you for watching.